Let me show you how to choose stunning brand colors for your website in less than 5 minutes. It's free, too, so you have nothing to lose. First, you want to go to coolors.co. That's coolors.co. Then, click the blue Start the Generator, it's free button. Use the space bar on your computer's keyboard to change the color palette. You can reorder the colors by dragging the arrow icon. You can click the lock icon to save your favorite colors. Then use the space bar to match those colors. Click the alternate shades icon on each color to choose lighter or darker shades. Or, you can click the adjust icon to do so more in depth. Above the color palette there are also unique options for color blindness. This is also where you can change the hue, saturation, and brightness of all colors. If you need inspiration, click the Explore tab to see what color combinations other people are creating. You can navigate the pages with the arrows on top. However, keep in mind that if you try to click the Generate button again, your old color combination will not be saved. Don't worry, this is how you fix that. To get your old color combination back, simply click the back button on your internet browser until you see the color palette again. Once you are happy with your color palette, you can export or save. We recommend exporting to PDF or PNG for easy future access. Saving requires an account. And that's it. Brand colors are an integral part of website marketing. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.